Hello friends, I am Arpita. Welcome to my channel Jharna Gallery. Hope you are all well. Whenever you want to draw something, search Jharna Gallery in YouTube and get so many beautiful scenery and subject drawings with easy drawing steps. So, without wasting your time, let's see what we draw today. Today I draw the face of Mata Durga with different ingredients. So don't skip the video and watch the video till end. It will be helpful for you. Follow steps of the drawing carefully. Draw lightly so that if you do a mistake during drawing, you erase it easily. I have increased the speed of the video a little bit as the length of the video will get increased. You can slow down the playback speed of the video so that you can properly understand the drawing steps. Join button is now activated in our channel. Join our VIP membership to get extra drawings for your practice. If you have any queries about drawing, please comment me. I will clear your all doubt about drawing. If you want to know how I color it, please watch my video till end. It will be helpful for you. Now I erase the unnecessary lines. Now my drawing is complete. It's time to color it. I use turmeric powder to color the face of Mata Durga. Now I take 1 spoon turmeric powder in a small pot. And now I add some water in the turmeric powder. The water and turmeric powder ratio is 5:1. Now I mixed it properly. Give 10 minutes to dry it. After 10 minutes, now I use primary red color. Now I use cotton earbuds for smoothing the color. Use red color pencil. Now I use black sketch pen. Use grey color pencil. I use red gel pen. Use black color pencil. Use pink color pencil. Now my painting is complete. Thank you so much for watching till end. If the video was helpful for you, then please like the video and leave a comment. Please subscribe our channel for more drawing videos and press the bell icon for further notification. See you in another new video. Now you can follow me on social media. Links are in description below. Thank you. Take care.